Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix RAM usage. First, let's tackle the basics. A simple restart of your computer can often clear out temporary memory issues and give you a fresh start. Next, make sure to close any applications running in the background that you aren't actively using. Even minimized programs can be consuming valuable RAM, so shut them down completely to free up resources. Now, let's dive deeper into identifying what's hogging your memory. Open your Task Manager by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and Escape. Navigate to the Processes tab and sort by memory usage. This will show you which applications are consuming the most RAM. If you see a program you don't need running, select it and click End Task to free up those resources. For more advanced optimization, consider adjusting your virtual memory settings. This allows your system to use a portion of your hard drive as if it were RAM, which can help when physical memory runs low. Also, review your startup programs and disable any unnecessary applications from launching automatically. This reduces the initial load on your RAM when your computer starts up. Finally, consistent maintenance is key to keeping your RAM usage in check. Regularly update your operating system and drivers, as these updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes. Also, perform a full system scan for malware, as malicious software can secretly consume significant memory. For other great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the link in the description below. Remember, a well-maintained system runs much smoother.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.